What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have been lent this Range Rover SVR. I'm well looking forward to this. Me and Luke are going to take it for a quick drive, but before we do that, guys, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's go. Right, so we are in the Range Rover SVR that I just said we've been lent, which is really nice of Matt. So let's go.
I feel really in over my head. Why is it? It's so big.
It is massive.
Daryl, you must feel like you're on like on the Eiffel Tower or something right now.
It's pretty tall.
Can you see in the window?
A bit of vertigo.
Oh mate, this is
it must
cool
really feed your ego.
It does.
So quiet as well, considering. Right,
we'll take it easy at first, and we'll talk about. So it's just really weird because we haven't got the person to tell us, but it is. It's a standard Range Rover SVR.
Yep, I'm just trying to pull up the tech specs now. Yeah, so standard Range Rover SVR, 5 litre V8. Only 5 litres. Max speed 175.8 miles an hour. This thing will do.
Can you tell me what the weight is?
It weighs 2.3 tons.
I told you it was heavy.
And it will do 175 miles an hour.
What brake has it got? I'm assuming something like 500
that's
or something.
What I'm trying to find out. How does it feel?
It feels like I'm driving a really fast, really heavy 4x4.
Does it feel heavy?
It feels heavy, yeah.
I guess we'll find out right now.
Well, this isn't. I'm not putting the beans down this hill.
No, I mean, like, how does it feel going around this corner?
Doesn't feel that bad.
Actually, do you know what? Considering how big it is, there was like no body roll.
I love when you go up a hill in a 4x4 because it just goes and just charges up it like it's nothing. So how much brake has it got? We've not found that yet.
I don't know. I'll tell you what. I will tell you after you've given it the beans up the hill. Have you put it in sport mode?
No, I don't have a clue how to do that. Quick, we're almost at the hill.
We may have to do a second run, but just give it the beans.
Okay, all right. Well, it's probably good to give it the beans while it's in normal mode, yeah.
Oh,
that noise!
Why? How does this move like that?
The noise of it! It just sounds. You can hit like the valves presumably open because we're in normal mode, and it just goes ah.
That sounds so good.
Oh, I'm in love with this car already.
I can't believe going uphill that it accelerates like that.
Oh, that is phenomenal.
I've got to find out the rest of the spec on this. Oh, 542.
Yeah, I told you. I knew it was going to be over 500.
542.
Right, should we figure out how to put it in sport mode?
I'll tell you what, I'll do that while you concentrate on driving.
Is that because this is the most expensive car we've filmed so far?
How much is this? How much is this car?
Don't pull out on me, sir.
I don't know. Oh, 99,620.
Excellent.
Okay.
I think I'll put 2 hands back on the wheel.
Limiter off. Traction control, exhaust.
Oh, so you can do it separately?
Looks like it. You must have. Oh, look, you've got it here.
Oh no, that's
the CD
music.
player.
Oh no! Oh no! Turn it down.
Where's the driving button? Maybe it doesn't have one.
No, it does because he said he changes it.
Is it on? Is it in the menu? What's if we click on here? How about
Driver assist. No, not that. No. Okay, we're changing stuff now. Now you've changed it. You've just changed something.
Oh. Oh, here you go. Look. Is this it here?
Yeah, that's to change the gearbox and stuff.
Yeah, look. Race mode.
Oh, that was so cool.
Race mode. Now P for now.
Oh my god!
I can't believe how quickly that moves.
That actually scared me a little bit because it just went. I think I did it on the worst bit of road ever, but
I can't believe it. No. Wow.
That's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it just sounds cool now. You can hear the little drone. Can you imagine this decade?
I don't. Do you know what? I was just thinking.
I would never do it. But
would this be as a daily driver with all that power and this? Like, I mean, the interior of this is great. It's so comfortable.
No, I'm not.
I think the heated seats are on, isn't they? Because my bum is so warm.
I don't know how to turn it on.
It's so warm where I've wet myself.
Wait, that looks like.
Oh look, so look, he's put the exhaust button. He's put the exhaust button on.
Oh yeah, we'll leave that on.
I did notice actually when the car pulled up that the height went down.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
So it's on the lowest now.
Yeah.
Can we press it while we're moving?
Don't do that.
You're moving not. So all of these are the different like gearbox settings and.
Yeah. So what we've got. So race, normal, snow.
Do you know what?
I guess that's off-road. That desert, maybe? I guess that is desert with a cactus, and then.
Mate, I'm guessing it's sand.
Oh, and then that's the is that the change tyre setting?
That's probably the one where you go mega off-road, isn't it? Oh, sorry, you mean where like it puts in a special mode so you can. Do you reckon it raises it up?
Yeah, possibly. Maybe it holds the weight of the car so you can change the tyre.
This is awesome.
I couldn't believe how quick it accelerated.
Oh, this feels weird.
I was expecting it to be quick. Like obviously, it's got the SVR badge. Like Jaguar, Land Rover, obviously don't just put that on anything. So, but I did not expect it to accelerate like that.
Feel the steering wheel.
Is it nice and warm? That's very.
That's weird, isn't it?
It's very nice. I wonder what it's like on fuel economy.
I can't. I just. Okay, so it's got 3/4 of a tank, and it says it's got 270 miles left, which it is okay-ish.
I guess if you consider it's a 5-litre V8.
When I was talking to Matt before, he said that he gets about 22 miles to the gallon, which for this I'd say is probably a good thing.
Yeah. Well, thanks Luke for giving me the opportunity to drive
my SVR.
Range Rover SVR. Guys,
Gaze.
don't forget to check out the website for the North Coast 500 trip.
And don't forget to, if you haven't already, after this video, hopefully it was entertaining enough for you to subscribe
to watch to the end.
Yeah, and like the video.
Yeah, thanks very much. See you on the next one.
Peace.